Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more valued content. In this video, we are presenting cherry tomato salad with chickpeas. Let's check out the ingredients. Cherry tomatoes 250 grams. Chickpeas 250 grams soaked overnight. Onion 50 grams. Mint 15 grams. Green chillies 20 grams. Cilantro 30 grams. Chole Masala 1 teaspoon. Lemon 1. Cherry tomatoes are full of vitamins and minerals that promote excellent health. They are packed with vitamin C, which plays a major part in many body functions. They are rich in minerals like calcium, manganese, phosphorus, and potassium. They are also rich in carotenoids like lycopene, beta-carotene, and lutein that fights cancer, improve heart and skin health, and also possess anti-inflammatory properties. It improves vision due to presence of vitamin A in good quantity. Pressure cook the chickpeas for 6 whistles on a high flame and switch off the flame. Now, slice the cherry tomatoes. Transfer the boiled chickpeas into a pan or a mixing bowl. Add sliced cherry tomatoes, finely chopped green chillies, mint, finely chopped onion, cilantro, sprinkle some chole masala, squeeze a lemon, and now mix them up with spoons. Our protein-rich salad is ready. This salad helps you lose weight easily without letting you feel hungry, and at the same time provides necessary nutrients required to the body. So, enjoy the food and a good health. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.